Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, student.
Morning.
Okay, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good also. Okay, so for today,
Sorry, panas.
okay, so yesterday, what did you learn?
Describing
Describing what?
people, places, and things. With outside.
Okay. So today let me introduce myself first. My name is Abdul, and today we would learn about improving listening comprehension for better English language learning. Anyone here know what is listening skills?
Listening
Is like hearing, but it's different because listening must be focused and absorb some information to our brain.
Okay, good. So the listening skill is basically the basic pembelajaran dasar dalam Inggris, which is the listening, writing, speaking, and reading. And so today we would take a look in listening skill. Philosophically, why does God give us 2 ears and 1 tongue? Why?
because they're very hard effort for hearing.
Okay, thank you very much. So, God give us 2 ears and only 1 tongue in order that we may hear more and speak less. Then the idea is like this. We can expect to listen twice as much as we speak, 4 times more than we read, and 5 times more than we write. Listening is the first language skills that human learn and master after coming to the world. So when we want to work, of course, the first that we do is when we in baby. So the first we can do anything, but we have 2 years after we born to the world. So automatically we can hear what's the sound around us.
Like ada,
Yeah, like other. And what is listening? Anyone can read here? Iklima.
And course 2002 43 defines as the process of one receptive what the speaker actually says, receptive orientation. 2. Constructive and representing meaning. Constructive orientation. Negotiating hearing with the speaker and responding. Collaborative orientation. Creating meaning through involvement, imagination, and empathy. Transformative orientation.
Okay, thank you. Next is from Howard and Bacon describes listening comprehension as how well one understands what is being conveyed orally. It involves the understanding of the speaker accent and pronunciation grammar and vocabulary and meaning. Okay, so it's right here we have the different between listening and reading. like Vanessa said at first, listening, usually that use at the academy needed, in a TOEFL we hear the question from the sound for answer the question, and if hearing in our life we every day hearing what sound around us, like the people talk and the sound and nature sound like wind or animal, like that. And for the next is the objective of listening. The first is to communicate. Of course, for the listening objective, the first is communicate. Without listening, we can communicate with other people because we can hear them. And the second is to learn. And the third is obtain information. We can get the information from the listening skills, like we can see from YouTube or hearing the radio or etc. And the fourth is to understand, and the last to enjoy. Okay, so this is the type of listening. Anyone can read this?
Listening for this. We listen in order to understand the main idea of the text. Listening for specific information. We want to find out specific details, for example, keywords. Listening for the higher understanding. We want to understand of the information the text provides.
Okay, so there is several types of listening. The first is listening for this. You listen in order to understand the main idea of the text. You can listen in some paragraph for get the main idea from the text, and listening for the specific information. If you want to find out the specific details, for example, keyword, when you do listening, maybe you can prepare your paper and you write some keyword for get the point. If you need to write it, and you can conclude that what you write from the sound. And the listening for detailed understanding. You want to understand all the information that text provides. So you hear all the sound for get the understand in to get the more detailed information. And this is the interference with listening comprehension. Anyone know interference is what? Interference in bahasa apa ya? Yang menghalangi bahasa ini. Ya. The first is unfamiliar vocabulary. Second is grammar. Text too long. Several people talking. Unfamiliar context. Topic not interesting. Theme not clear. Accent. Speed. Idiomatic speech. A lack of background. A lack of background information. So for this part, what do you think the most interference things in listening comprehension?
Text too long.
Text too long. Iklimat buat beli keberlari. Speed is how speed. And this is how you improve your listening skill. The first is do you clean your ear with cotton bud?
Yes.
The second, you rely on your two ears and take position as close as the source of the sound. And the third, do you often try to understand every word in listening activity? The first is do you clean your ear with cotton bud? Maybe if you can hear clearly, maybe your ear is maybe kotoran. And then you can hear clearly. And second, do you rely on your two ears and take position as close as the source of the sound? For this way, maybe if you do the listening practice, you can use the speaker or earphone for get the sound clearly. And for the last is, do you often try to understand every word in listening activity? This is you can try word by word, analyze what word did you can understand and research break the word that you unfamiliar. Okay, so now is practice. Okay, so right here I have some audio, and you can hear. Waalaikumsalam.
Bisa maaf Elan.
Please sit down.
Okay, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Teguh.
Why did you do that?
Because I take a bath first. After that, I breakfast, and so I had to wake up in the morning.
Because udara Ustaz.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so right here I have the audio. You can hear from this audio, and the practice. I hope you can answer the question right here. But first, maybe you need to prepare your brain and wait. I have some paper for you.
Yeah. Thank you. I have questions. Here is yes. Mr. May I give you a question?
What?
What the material
This material is about listening comprehension.
listening and okay.
Okay, so if you are ready, that paper I give you for write the keyword that you hear from the audio, and after you write the keyword, maybe I would ask you, maybe for 1 or 3 people, for what did you get from the audio, and from keyword that you write, I hope you can answer the question without listening to the audio. Understand?
Yeah.
And there are several speaker. Number. Why? Lebih jelas.
Because yeah, it's more clear.
Liquid.com Listening Comprehension. Bonnie and Clyde. Bonnie and Clyde were a famous American couple in the early 20th century. The two were hardened criminals who mainly performed robberies. They did occasionally commit murder to ward off law enforcement officers. They also led a gang of other criminals who helped them in their activities. The couple was romanticized and adored by the American population. This had a lot to do with the fact that Bonnie was a young female criminal, which was unheard of in American society. Also, the story of two brutal criminals who were in love was enthralling as well. The couple and their gang managed to evade the law for years. They ran out of luck in 1934 when a posse of law enforcement officers caught up with them. The officers ambushed the couple as they were headed to visit a friend and shot them to their deaths. Please answer the following questions. Question. Liquid alcohol. Listening comprehension. Bonnie and Clyde. Bonnie and Clyde were a famous American couple in the early 20th century. The two were hardened criminals who mainly performed robberies. They did occasionally commit murder to ward off law enforcement officers. They also led a gang of other criminals who helped them in their activities. The couple was romanticized and adored by the American population. This had a lot to do with the fact that Bonnie was a young female criminal, which was unheard of in American society. Also, the story of two brutal criminals who were in love was enthralling as well. The couple and their gang managed to evade the law for years. They ran out of luck in 1934 when a posse of law enforcement officers caught up with them. The officers ambushed the couple as they were headed to visit a friend and shot them to their deaths. Please answer the following questions.
Is it enough? Or
I think
enough?
enough. Alright, how about you guys?
I think enough, but I don't know. I can guess some question.
Yeah.
There's some vocabulary I don't know. I don't some things.
There's also
Some.
you want to repeat again or enough? Enough.
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 Some.
Okay, so what did you get from the audio?
Oh my god. So, what I got in the audio is, I listened that Bonnie is a criminal, was a criminal.
Yes.
Yes, and Bonnie and Seidel is a couple.
Yes, come on.
Only it's a
Only that. Anyone? That's it, okay?
Bonnie and Clyde is almost American couple in early 20th century.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you for the good and so let's take a look to the question. We answer this question together. The first question is, in which years were Bonnie and Clyde famous? Asik. Tadi kan
can I guess, Mister?
Okay, go.
Okay, I think that is the answer is C. The early 19th.
109.
190.
1,000.
1990.
We
Yes, I'm right.
okay. The second question: in which country was the couple famous?
America.
C. The United States of America.
United States of America. Okay. Third question, why was the couple famous in the ocean?
And this, it's like I said, Bonnie is a criminal.
Yeah, without crimes.
Yes, that is the fact that Bonnie, a woman's performance of criminals. Hello, good morning. Who is gay, Mister?
Why did you let
Mr. D.
The answers.
the fact? Yes, the countries. The answer is D. The fact that Bonnie, a woman of brutal act. And for question, it is your couple or Henry.
I don't know, Mr. C, B.
B, really?
Wait.
Wow.
Rossi is very smart. And the first question, why was the couple English? The last question is, what did the officer do upon catching the criminal?
B, they shut them down. Wow. We are smart, guys.
Okay, so this is the full text of the audio. Right here, I was marked the answer. the best from audio. The Bonnie and Clyde is the famous American couple in the early 20th century atau abad ke-20. And they are both is criminal and perform the robberies. And the fact from the couple is the Bonnie was a young female, the two criminal, and they both were headed to visit a friend, and the cops shoot them until they're dead.
So, may I ask a question again?
Yes.
For the first question, that is 1,1900, right?
Yes.
But in the next, that is 20th century. So,
Okay. So the 20th century is jadi abad jadi setiap abad itu kan 100 tahun.
yes,
The 20th century is start from 1900 dari 1900 until tahun 2000.
I see.
Jadi
So,
the answer is early 1900. 1900 nah penghitungan. Yeah. So the answer is the early 1900.
also for the first century, that is 0 to 1 year and 0 to 100 years. I see.
You get it?
Yes, I get it. Thank you so much.
Okay, so maybe I think that's all the material. But I can give you. I hope the material you can understand and useful for the academic skills, especially in listening. Less or more. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi